guys, this is Lady P. Welcome to my backyard garden. I came out today and I was debating on whether I would do a video. I was also debating on whether I would do any harvesting today. But I have to show you this. I am so sick of these pole beans. I have canned some, I've eaten them, and I said I'm not going to pick any more. And I came out and let me show you what I seen. Look at all of these beans. Now I'm a person that cannot stand wasting food. So I guess I'll be picking pole beans and we will be having them for dinner. I didn't have a basket out here with me, so I used my shirt. This is what I've gotten. Quite a few of them have gotten too large, and I'll just let them stay for seeds. But I want to show you something on this here trellis. These are pole beans also. Don't ask me why I planted on two trellises. But there's this cardinal that's always up in my bushes, in the beans. And I mean, he have a mouthful of things, and I looked up here, and look at that. Look like he's building a nest, but it's so late in the season. But maybe they were up here earlier and I didn't notice, but it seemed like I would have noticed if there were babies in there. But do you see that? I hope you can see it. It's kind of dark. I came over here on this side. You can't hardly even see it from here. I mean, he's here, I notice, every day, and he's fussing at me. Didn't know why he was fussing, but now I know. I'm out walking in the garden, and I think it's time to harvest these squash. A few more hanging on the fence over there. These are the sweet potatoes. They are growing like crazy. I have cut them out of the pathway a couple of times and they are just growing back. I don't know whether you can see on the other side over there. I just hope I get a lot of potatoes out of this small area. I think next year I'm going to have to give them a little more space. These nasturtiums have been going strong all summer long. They are so beautiful. I've eaten quite a few, but just can't eat them all. And I also enjoy watching them, and I leave some for the pollinators. If you looked at my earlier videos, you'll see I planted these chickpeas here as an experiment. I just planted them out of some chickpeas that I had bought from the store, some organic chickpeas, and they grew. And you can see the little pods on them. So I will be harvesting some of these today. Still getting a lot of grape tomatoes, and they are so good. Nothing like those that you get in the store. I was out editing this video and I realized that I had not showed you the Casper eggplant that I planted. So I want to let you see that. I planted these eggplant in a pot, so they're not real large, but look like they turned out pretty good. I will be planting some in the ground. Now this here one I'll be harvesting. Ooh, excuse me. The ends on that eggplant are sharp. I just got stuck. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.